Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your HP CS laptop and disconnect it from any power source. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a small container to prevent losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any internal components. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. Disconnect it carefully to ensure no power is flowing through the device. This is an essential step for your safety as we proceed with the screen replacement. Now, turn your attention to the screen assembly. You'll find additional screws securing the screen to the laptop frame. Remove these screws carefully, noting their positions for reassembly later. If you're unsure about this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can be a great option if you feel stuck. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from the frame. Be cautious of any attached cables, these can be delicate. If you need assistance, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Next, disconnect the cables from the old screen. There may be adhesive holding these cables in place, so take your time to avoid any damage. Once the old screen is fully disconnected, take your new screen and connect the cables just as they were attached to the old one. Before securing the new screen back in place, take a moment to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris, ensuring optimal performance once the new screen is installed. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can always have us handle it for you if you prefer. Now, carefully align the new screen with the frame and secure it using the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight yet not overly forced, as this could damage the screen. With the screen secured, reconnect the battery and replace the back panel, ensuring all screws are returned to their original positions. Finally, power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your HP CS screen. If you need a quote before any repairs or further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you with all your technical needs, ensuring your devices run smoothly and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.